It is now 3 days into the general voters registration, and so far the ECN is satisfied with the turnout of eligible voters. On the first day of registration, 25,945 voters were registered. Umsati recorded the highest of 3,715, followed by Kumas with 3,544 and Ohangwena with 3,341.
With the calculations we have made, and with the kits that we have, looking at the number of people per kits and so forth, we have basically calculated that we can register in that period. I mean, approximately, a large number of people, more than what the census says are the registered voters. So quite a figure way above that one.
The first 2 days recorded technical problems as machines were used for the first time. Other hiccups experienced were a shortage of vehicles and unclear document requirements of proving residency in the local authority areas.
We are fully aware that the utility bills are in most instances not in the name of all the members of the households, and that the expansion of our cities and towns has resulted in residents who live in areas where it is virtually impossible to prove residency. We therefore encourage those who are duly registered to lawfully and solemnly serve as deponents for those who may otherwise not qualify to register for local authority elections.
The Commission initially projected to have 1,200 vehicles for the registration process, but was only able to start with 550 cars. It is, however, currently getting into contracts with private vehicle owners to avail their cars for the registration operations. Responding to questions from the media as to why the Commission did not consider postponing the process until it was ready and well prepared, Shipweya had this to say.
We are going into elections November. We have a very tight schedule. We have elections. We have to get this voters register produced. There's a time for objections. We don't know, that period. Well, hopefully it should just be that period, So we have that period, and we have to ensure that we have a voters register produced timeously, and that we also start with our preparations for the elections.
Registration points are open from Monday to Saturday. Qualified voters are still reminded to go and register, which will enable them to exercise their fundamental right of electing their representative at all levels of government. Tonatani Shidudu, NBC News, Windhoek.